Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to hide the Powered by Blogger footer attribution. This is a simple customization that helps give your blog a cleaner, more professional look by removing the default Blogger branding from the bottom of your site. Let's dive into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to blogger.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signing into the account that has the blog you want to customize. After logging in, you'll land on your Blogger dashboard where you can see all your blogs and settings. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a vertical menu with several options. Look for the one labeled Theme and click on it. This section is where you control the overall appearance and design of your blog, including layout, colors, and custom code modifications. It's essentially your design control center. Once you're in the Theme section, you'll notice a button that says Customize. Go ahead and click on it. This will open up the theme customization interface where you can make detailed adjustments to how your blog looks. The interface is split into two parts, a preview of your blog on the right and editing options on the left. On the left side of the customization panel, scroll down until you find an option called Advanced. Click on it to expand more settings. This is where you can access deeper customization features that aren't available in the basic theme editor. It's a powerful area for making specific changes like the one we're doing today. Within the advanced settings, you'll see a drop-down menu at the top. Click on that drop-down and from the list of options, select Add CSS. This feature allows you to insert custom code that overrides or adds to your blog's existing styling. It's the key to making changes like hiding the Blogger attribution. Now here's where the magic happens. I have a prepared code snippet for you. You can find it in the video description below. Feel free to pause the video here so you can copy the code without rushing. Once you've copied it, come back and paste it into the Add Custom CSS field on Blogger. This code specifically targets the Powered by Blogger footer element and hides it from view. After pasting the code, take a look at the preview of your blog on the right side of the screen. You should immediately see that the Powered by Blogger footer attribution has been removed. The bottom of your blog now looks cleaner and more customized to your brand. Finally, to make sure these changes stick, click the Save icon located in the lower right corner of the screen. This will apply the custom CSS to your live blog, and the attribution will be permanently hidden. And that's it. Your blog now has a more polished, professional appearance without the default Blogger branding. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.